the patience. And I want to apologize for the heat. And I understand, say, some of we, for the past days, you don't over cold for room. So we need this heat. Not so make the body in hot fine for women. We will be able to transmit the sweat, the sweetness for sweat now. People will not there. Some will not feel bad, say, all the small. Some people they stand for long, especially small picking them. I want to really apologize. Say, if it be necessary, say, make you enter our house now. For talk this story, we don't take and go down outside. So any inconvenience, now all we will bear, because this BR office, now for this community, not only for BR's members, now for all we. So now we house this. I could just queue up from the last speaker for talks on story, for place where I will work, and for place where I don't do almost all my research before I say maybe I come back for my own village, for my own community. Because now for here my never delay. Now for here I will rest when Papa God they don't call me. Now for here where every other thing will fail me, but this community will fail me. That way I do my research for Rwanda. I become across plenty devastating stories. All we hear today happen for Rwanda now. Inside 1 month for Rwanda, they be take kill 800,000 people waiting today. They still count those people there, and it happened for 1994. Last month, I be there for Rwanda. They still discover bones there for people the way they don't be see them. Then they still bury them 25 years after. So you don't go to 1 million plus for 1 month where they kill, where people they woke up one day. Brothers and sisters, no be Fulani, no be Muslim, no be military, no be Amber, no be civilian, no be Boko Haram, no. Now man, he kill your own brother because his brother, they don't say brother na wait Hutu, he be Tutsi. I want to tell you some story where I will meet up the person for my two items. Some woman, when time when they come for kill a man, he begs and they don't kill a man. They say, okay, if you know I'm gonna kill a man, the only condition I say, you're picking, he will sleep with you. We don't kill a man. The woman want to try to hesitate, they kill the man. So they tell the woman, say, now, who want kill your picking? Choose. If you know I'm gonna kill your picking, do to the action. Now they tell when I say when war, he enter for country. Do you want what you see for Cameroon for women here? The leak na leak. When we don't open we heart to say me war come. We don't just take small no. Say when people they craze for war. Any man they don't take for last. Just keep people that for tell you say wait till we don't come for you want today for you will not be play. Now we talk say enough is enough. I want to tell you a story where it happened for Rwanda. Rwanda not far from Africa, from Cameroon, a country for Africa. They take this woman, bring the pikin, they get for make sure say the pikin sleep with him every other day. After that, that woman discovered say be pregnant for her own pikin. Even church people they be gathered, they say me that woman go move that belly because how that woman go stay for leave that kind of trauma. That woman say nothing move the pikin. This pikin it could be a sign for evil. Where it could tell the world say that today happen for Rwanda for you. And this pikin could remind you say if you don't forgive the people where they do the kind of thing. Then if they don't come born in your house, they only kill your pikin, you know if you forgive. Then person where they force you, me pikin sleep with you, they carry the pikin, they eat the work I tell the world say, now if this way they commit for me, I don't forgive the people then you. The woman the work I say go for prison, go meet the people that they do that act now. But that pikin, the pikin unfortunately pikin go commit suicide. He go tell the people they say, I don't get nothing. Forgive una. The only thing I don't kill my pikin don't die. My master don't die. The only thing I get out of my life is forgiveness. Now whether I kill una, forgiveness. They be expected they will give you gun. You go kill that people. You go destroy that people. They say. They say me if you speak that speak for the people they face. He say no. Don't do all kind of bad things. Only forgiveness. Another story, only for inside Rwanda. Some man, you know, his brother, they come out, one mommy, one papa. Because say a woman, na Tutsi, he born, you know, a woman, they born 7 pikin there. When you understand the story fine, I will tell you 2, 3 stories. They told you about, but I'm talking only 3. Maybe understand place where they did and place where how we will fix, we step them for continue for worker. This man, that way genocide, he enter for Rwanda. This man take collapse. He go for that house. He brother, Hutu, human, Tutsi, as they classify them. Which would you try for do? And now for Cameroon, say, do one la Republic. And I want call names by names. I know the news words. You want la Republic. You want to Amber. You want civilian. You want military. You want this. You get to die. As we classify ourselves, so now stage is there for killing. Now stage is there for stigmatization. Now stage we don't say, as you be this person, so you deserve to die. As you talk this thing, you deserve to die. Even in the sight of human beings the whole day, we don't talk about God, it is wrong, it is bad, so we have to talk about it. So when they become manipulated people, they first start killing each other. The man go for house, he don't recognize his brother. He started now with the woman. He killed the woman. His brother Becky said, don't kill my brother, don't kill my beginner. If as he finish killing woman, he go for beginner. He killed 5 of the pikin, 2 they run. As 2 they run, they go hide for neighbor. He has to go for that neighbor. He tell that neighbor, say, if you don't bring that pikin them, I will kill you. The other one be don't run in. Go hide now for inside place where they keep bees. For place they don't feel like human being. That one they spare in life. The other one, as they find they see, he kill it too. So that man remain now only with that one pikin. That way I'm talking. He start craze after a very long time. They can't regain his senses. That brother be no say he don't die. That brother going to for prison 10 years. That's on one day for inside church when he did march go up for communion. He meet that brother for a front. He collapsed. But I wait I want to tell you and say the good news. I say today they are brothers and don't forget the past. They don't move together. But it is a very, very difficult society. Because when you don't commit that kind of crime, whether you like it or not, you can never be the same. The other story, now for church, it will happen. This one I for tell me, say, when will you go for church? When will you go for church? No, they pretend, because when we pretend, when evil come, sometimes church, you know, even recognize you. For inside Rwanda, for church, all man knows everything the banner, we go hide now for church. 3,000 people there, we go hide for church. Say, we don't go for house, they be kill, we can remain at for church. They struggle for break door there for church. They don't get away. They struggle for enter roof, move roof for enter for kill that people, the way no day. Reverend Father, I will spare you the name, I don't call him name, but he's still there alive. He's still there alive and he is in France. Reverend Father, because if you understand, say, this one between a time for killing. I still tell the people, they say, there is a time for Bible, there is a time for God. So now in Rwanda, it is a time for God. So Reverend Father becomes a killer. Reverend Father will want to say, when I feel knock that door 101 times, you don't go ever open, because they don't consecrate her. Wait till I go advise you, so now go bring me to Caterpillar. I will show you some one place for pillar where they will now just touch that pillar so small, that Caterpillar. This house it go collapse and when I work it will don't be done. It is to tell us and to tell you the magnitude of evil where we don't allow we hearts, where we don't allow we community, where we don't allow we society, where we don't allow we country, other people can manipulate, where we don't even see them. So I'm saying for the past 4 days, I know they for social media, I don't get the highest peace. War where they under social media, because those who are manipulating this war, they know they for ground zero. They know they for here, they for far away place, they don't even know where to where they happen. They don't even know say you there for your household, you never get job since morning. But they will tell you, this dialogue will not hold. This person has done this. It is, I mean, That is all their work on social media, and we are manipulating ourselves. With the remote control, and we carry for life in church and here we serve. That is how it starts until one that we reach for stage where even Reverend Father no recognize a Christian there. He offer a Christian there for being victims, for casualties. I want to tell when I say I go inside that church, they be carrying me from that church go to hospital. Because I be see picking them. Well, because God talks say no touch picking. Picking no fit die. When that word they be collapse, picking the place picking they no be die. But they can't take that picking there. They pound that picking there. They be showing me the picking they are close. My country people that they cry, they beg una. I be beg una.
Well, we'd rather be very unfortunate. Say we left ourselves to be directed. We left ourselves to be directed.